Good afternoon, students. Now today we are going to perform the output characteristic of transistor in common emitter configuration. We know that for studying the output characteristic, we have to keep the input current, that is base current, constant. So we have kept it at 72.2 microampere. So keep this constant by varying this input voltage. So once this has been set, any value you can take 40, 50, 60, 70 microampere. Okay. Now we will keep it as it is, and now we are going to vary the output voltage, that is output voltage VCE, and will note down the corresponding changes in collector current IC. So now see here, I am going to vary the voltage. What we are going to observe? You should know that the output current does not depend on the output voltage VCE, but it depends on the base current IB. What does it mean? Here we are taking the reading by keeping IB at one value. Now if we repeat the set of readings by keeping the IB at different value, if we increase IB, then collector current IC will increase. If we decrease IB, the collector current IC will decrease. But with keeping this IB constant, if you vary the output voltage VCE in the steps of 1 volt, in the steps of 1 volt from 0 to 5 volt, then this IC will remain constant. It will not increase with the increase in the output voltage VCE. Now see here, this is VCE and this is IC. So now I am varying this VCE and you have to observe the changes in IC. So initially it is increasing. One can see here I am again increasing. यहाँ पे देखो अब VC 0 है. अब मैं I am going to start with the reading of IC. You can see here IC, it is 0.49 milliampere for input voltage, very little input voltage, that is 0.06 or 0.5 volt. So one can observe here I have little bit increased VC. Now IC is 1.21 milliampere. Okay. So for 0.2 volt of output voltage, in the output current is 4.64. Now I am increasing output voltage to 0.46. Output is 5.01. For 0.6 output is 5.04, like that. So even though I am increasing the output current eventually remains constant near about 5 milliampere. So one can see here 2.68, 2.85, 3 volt. So it is 5.25 milliampere. This is 4 volt VCE, output is 5.33. So output remains constant. Now one can see VC is 5 volt and output is 5.48. So it remains near about constant in the range of 5.3, 5.4, like that. So output current does not increases to 20 milliampere or 25, 30 milliampere, like that. Now one can see here output voltage is 6.11 volt VCE and IC is 5.72 milliampere. Only little bit increase in the current is there when we vary the output voltage from 1 to 6 volt. So there is a slanting curve will be there at the output. So that is it. Thank you very much.